Hello everyone, this is Bilal Khalid. Welcome to Smart Tech. Today I came again one more Epson printer, and the problem with this printer, the model is L3050. The problem is with this printer when we print, you can see it's printing, but the colors are not fine quality. You can see the colors are missing here, and the color is black color is printing fine, but it's missing the text, and the color is totally missing. There is no color here. So today I will tell you how to fix this, and how to clean the print head with the genuine Epson printer software. I will show you here. You can see this is our printer. I will right click and I will go printing preferences, then maintenance. Here you can see the repairing maintenance options: nozzle check, head cleaning, print head alignment, powering, flushing, job arranger, and here are some status menus. So this, if the color is missing or not printing fine quality, we will not do head cleaning. We will just straight away we will click on power ink flushing. Okay, you can see I will click power ink flushing and I will press OK, and here is asking for permission. We will just start. I will start the powering flushing. After press the powering flushing, it will take around 2 or 3 minutes to complete this process. After the completed process, we will check again the quality, and you can see here the voice also in the printer. The head is cleaning process. There are two options. One is head cleaning and one is powering flushing. Powering flushing is more usable, and with this option head is cleaning properly, and the wastage ink will be waste from the printer, and all the pipes for inks will be cleaned. Head will be cleaned also. So I will recommend always to start power ink flushing. And if you will do power ink flushing, you cannot start again power ink until you have to wait 12 hours. This is options from Epson company, and they did not recommend to continuously start power ink flushing for every hour or every minute, because it's use high value of ink also, and it will clean the head. You know, the our old quality of paper was like this. Here is text is missing and color is not printing fine. Okay, let it complete. Then after this complete the process, we will check again the quality of printing. Stay with me and let it complete the powering flushing. Meanwhile, you can see the power light is blinking because its process is ongoing now. Just wait a while, let it complete. I will continue to see here. This Epson a maintenance service, if you will install the original driver, it will come along with the driver package. So you have to install complete software and install original driver from Epson website. For this model L3050 and L3070 are the same way to clean the print head, this power ink flushing. It's near to finish. Let it complete, then we will check again our print quality. I am hoping so it will work fine, because I already checked many printers to work with this option, and after the powering flushing the print quality quite well. Yes, it's near to finish now. Just after finish you will check again the print quality. Getting delay little, the process is not finished. We have to wait until it will give the message. Okay, now here powering flushing is complete. I will press finish. I will go back to check the print quality. Here we go. I will ask print test page. Let's see. I give the command already. Yes, here we go. Color is working fine. Look here. The color before there was no color, okay, and the black was missing the text. Now after cleaning the powering, it's the same, but color is printing and black is still the same. So there is another option I will show you, or I think we have to refill the tank also, and you know what, we cannot start again the powering flushing. Look, maintenance, we cannot do powering flushing again because it will give an error. We cannot do until 12 hours, we have to wait. Okay, I have another software, you will see. Here is here is Wick Reset. This is Wick Reset. This is very useful. With this I can also clean the printhead. So with Wick Reset, I will select the printer, and here is head cleaning, gentle cleaning, normal, medium and strong. I will make strong cleaning one time, and the black color will be okay. If you will see, I will start head cleaning. Yes. Okay, this is the head cleaning now. You can do head cleaning from Epson printer maintenance software also, but I will recommend to use Wick Reset utility. It will clean well. After powering, we have this status of our page. Now after if they finish this printer cleaning, we will check again and it will be fine. Before, the issue was color was not printing. Look, now color is printing fine and the black is missing the text. So I have to refill my tank, and after refill the tank it will be fine also. This is the way you can clean your print head with power ink option, only one time in 12 hours, and it is workable, and I checked it already how many times. It's working fine, but now the our print quality is little missing the black text because our ink tank is empty. I think I have to refill the ink, and I will check after Wick Reset software. It will cleaning the print head. Thank you very much for watching this video. Use these two utilities and you will find the results. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and put your questions in the comment box. Thank you very much.